got the finished sand. So this is our final finish coat or final filler coat. Now we've got to blend it in with the 180 on the disc. This is a medium pad, I think. Medium or hard pad. We're just going to blend the edges, knock down any high spots, and then we'll move on to the 180 on the orbital sander. Take a look. So it might be a little bit hard to see on the camera, but I pretty much got out most of the shiny spots. And then I'll blend it in all of my edges. Now we're going to move on to the 180 on the orbital. This orbital is going to then remove the disc marks from the sander and put in 180 orbital marks. Then we're going to move on to the 240. So now we've got all the shiny spots out. It's a bit hard to see on the camera. What we do, peel our tape, double check. Now the same area we hit with the 180, we're going to hit it with the 240. This 240 is going to remove those 180 marks. You're basically creating a really nice, consistent finish. Now we're onto the 240. There's your 240, I'm pretty happy with that. So then from here, I do 240 grit again, but on the soft pad for the orbital. This creates nice, soft blended finish around the outside of the ding. Good for clear coat and good for wet rubbing. A little bit easier.